guys, so today I'm going to do one of those opening my junk drawer things, but not exactly is it a drawer. It's more of a duty box thing. I'm going to get it. Ugh. Oh, there's stuff falling out of it already. Do you see? Something dangling out of it. Okay. Just adjust my camera here. Okay, so first I'm going to open like the top of this. Can you see this? I'm going to adjust my camera. Oh, why hello. A new screen I see. There. Okay. Bye-bye, Roisin. So we're going to be focusing on this part more. Oh, something fell out. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a necklace. Hold on. I'm just doing those beauty gurus. Ah! Oh no. No, stop. Ah! Oof. It's like a little raindrop necklace. Can you see that? It's kind of shaky. There. Other side. There. Can you guys see that? Ugh. Stop shaking. Ah, no. Stop it. Thank you guys have seen. There it is. Okay. Enough of that. Heather's reference. Welcome to my candy store. Okay, let's see what's in here. Homemade sunscreen. No, it isn't. It just I made this when I was like 8. Move this out of the way so I can show you and tell you the backstory of this. It's a sunscreen. You can't really see it because it's backwards. But I think it might reverse during when I edit. Oh, God. So basically, the sunscreen, and it's actually a deodorant bottle. It's really warm. The sunscreen's warm. It's so old. Ugh. Okay, next thing. Next. Oh. Do you guys know what one of these are? These are the things that you used to spread butter with. See it? There. Okay. Next one. Oh, what the heck is this thing? It's a dagger. Pow, pow, pow. Okay, I get distracted very easily. A plastic thingy that looks like a contact lens. And a plastic green thing. That is not important. Notifications. Okay. Found this beautiful thing. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, another necklace. Very pretty one. It's like a bunch of gems. See it? Okay, you guys see it. Oh, this thing. You guys might not know what this thing is. Ew. Look at the inside of this thing. Can't really see it on camera, but like it's terrible. Ew. What the hell? Okay. Basically this is like a tea bag. So like you dip this in your tea and then you put your tea bag in it. And then it's like a little house in your tea. It says tea on there. Can't really see it. Go away. No. Stay. Okay, there. Can you see it? It's there. Hold on. It's there. It's there. You see it? Okay, you saw it. Okay. Oh, it's a very firm pencil grip. It's very bad pencil grip. Oh, that's really weird. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh. It's a really dirty makeup brush. It's for like eyelashes. I'm not going to actually put it on. Like, it's like disgusting. Do you see it? Ew. What else is in there? Oh, we have a wonderful Lego man. Oh, sorry. There. a clip, a hair clip. 80s. I still wear these things. I wasn't even born in the 80s. Hello Kitty! It's like a tiny Hello Kitty from a Kinder Egg. Ah, stuck. Sorry. Tiny, tiny screw. See that? What kind of screwdriver would fit that? Comment. Comment it. Boom. New drawer. Oh. A very weird looking thing, string of things. String of things. Ow. Comment below if you know what this thing is. Oh, there's a Harry Potter chain on it. Look at this is from Harry Potter. Do you see it? Oh, okay. It's tangled. Every girl who wears jewelry is worst nightmare. This thing. Okay, that's very weird. Ugh. Okay. Same drawer, more stuff. Tiny plastic bowl. Another tiny plastic bowl. Tiny plastic bowl. Tiny plastic bowl. An earring. Lovely. Hold on. No! I'm sorry. Oh, crap. Beads everywhere. Oh! It's the String of Things sister. You see it? Is there any Harry Potter things? No, that means they're not from Harry Potter. Okay, that was all that was in that drawer. And then we have a broken clipper thingy. Rake. Okay, that's all for my junk drawer today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.